Good morning, everybody. Well, we saw what happened to cable over last week. You can see I've got the weekly chart up here. We came down and our low last week was at 129.22 and it just captured that 21 period average, and up we went and we closed, you know, not bad on the week, and we are at the moment currently trading above the weekly pivot, which is at 130.52. Our daily pivot is 130.79, but I put that on the daily chart, so I'll whip you over there to start with in a minute. Now this move down here, okay, on the weekly chart hasn't really stayed above any important levels or gone below. If I put that Fibonacci there to there, you can see really that we've got that 78.6 down there, which is coming in at 125.11, but we're really interested in where we go on the top side to be able to sell. If you look at the daily indicators on the weekly chart, or weekly indicators, you can see that we are beginning to turn. We're beginning to turn here, and that really only happened for the end of last week, so we'll have to give that a couple of days to see whether or not that plays out. So for the time being, I think any resistance, any return to resistance is going to be held by this level here, which is coming in around about 132.25, and this one here that we know the market rejected at 133.25. This could be a bearish little pattern on the weekly chart. We'll have to see what we do around the 129.15 area going into this week. But if you drew a tiny little trend line in, I'll draw that in for you here. Okay, and you can see where the break point lies. It's all around this 122.19, 122.15 area. Okay, so let's take a look at the daily chart and see whether we can see anything more on that. Right, so you can see that the little trend line we drew in is really taking this big move up here. Okay, so we've put the fibs on, the Fibonacci retracements, we've put it on. At the moment we are above both of the moving averages, pivot points. Daily's coming in at 130.79, as you can see there, which is intersecting with that moving, I'll just say the red one, right? Intersecting with the red one, which is coming in at 130.87. So if I move that out, you've got all that to play for. So you've got that moving average coming in just above the daily pivot. So unless we break 131.50, or at least that level there, which is coming in at 131.77, as long as we can stay below here, then this becomes a bear flag on the weekly charts. Okay, good luck for this afternoon, and I'll catch you tomorrow.